Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta Data Exchange. Finally, a relief rally. How to trade this market. The people say when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. So we conduct workshop in Bengaluru this Saturday, Sunday. Still few seats are left. So we will teach you how to handle this kind of highly volatile market. Today, a short covering rally, there is no doubt about it. Markets fell continuously for 10 trading sessions. Today is 11th trading session. Who would have expected Nifty to shoot up 300 points nearly? Today morning, especially the gift Nifty was indicating 50-60 point gap down. But the markets opened gap down only, but then the short covering from the first minute. The markets were moving consistently higher. And of course, at some point of time, it went very close to 22,400, then fell about 100 point, then recovered about 50 point. But that happens in this kind of a market. Broader market have actually done extremely well. Mid cap, small cap, next 50, everything was up more than 2-3%. And all sectoral indices were in green. And auto stocks, after falling to 52-week low, today made a smart recovery. Same thing with metals, real estate, and PSU banks, and so on. So these are all the stocks that came under severe selling pressure in the last few trading sessions. Now, having said all these things, so what is the next thing? The first thing is that, the March series has been too volatile. We were just only 4 trading session. In the first trading session, Nifty fell more than 400 points. And now today is the 4th trading session, Nifty shot up around 250 points. But still, Nifty has not recovered even the first trading session's losses. So Nifty closed around 22,500. And then, the first trading session, it fell. And just imagine, yesterday it was below 22,000. Today it is around 22,400. There's a 500 point rally. But still, the first trading session's high is not taken out. So therefore, there is nothing to be very, very happy about this one. This is just purely a short covering rally. Why? Because, the Trump, he speaks, and I do not know what kind of a leader he is. He is the leader of the number 1 country in the world, and he can talk everything, without even thinking, just like a child. One day he says, Mexico and Canada 25% tariff, and then next day he say, no, we are putting it on hold for 1 month. Then after 1 month, when the reporters ask, is there any room for negotiation? No negotiation. From tomorrow, it's 25%. Then not even 2 days, now they say, they are considering negotiating with Mexico. So they can say all kinds of things. And then, these irresponsible people who talk like this, the market go up by 1 trillion, come down by 1 trillion, the huge amount of money is made or lost. If I'm not wrong, the biggest operators in US stock market, they are the US politicians. So sometimes, they do this kind of news intentionally. So they short the market, intentionally give the bad news, bring the market down, they cover their shorts, they go long, then they give some good news, and the market shoots up, they make profit. So anyway, the politics is not our domain. But after a long time, after falling more than 4,000 points, so today it is just a relief rally. So whether this rally will sustain or not, so we need to wait and see for a few more days. Even in this kind of a, euphoric market, HDFC Bank was down. So that is something really very bad. But Bank Nifty was okay. Yesterday, the Bank Nifty outperformed the Nifty. Today, the Bank Nifty has underperformed. That's because, other stocks like IT stocks, Reliance, auto stocks, they all went up. So anyway, there is nothing to be very happy about this. As I told you earlier, every rise is a selling opportunity. But if you are selling nearer, maybe you will be in trouble. And look at 26,000 call option expiring in December. That is still trading more than 250 rupees. So that means, Nifty will have to go to 26,250. So then only this buyer will make profit, but that is as of expiry. But in between, if market goes higher, the buy prices will go higher. So that's a different story, right? So this is the time to be cautious still. The FII data is still not out, so I do not know. Today is fingers crossed whether there will be buyers or sellers. But as and when FII turn buyer, then domestic institutions will start selling because they kept on supporting the market, at every lower level. So we will wait for some time to decide the trend, but technically the markets are still bearish. I think the Nifty will have to take out 22,700. The precisely I'll check, I'll let you know later. I think only after 22,700, so Nifty technically is becoming long. We will see what is going to happen. Meanwhile, US futures are, it went higher, but now there is some kind of a profit booking, but that may be due to some data today. So because of that, GIFT Nifty is also down but 40-50 points now. So, this kind of sometimes, the markets do not go down in one straight line. Sometimes market recover. So that sometimes the intraday recovery, even the positional recovery, if you can remember last time, first time when the Nifty fell from 26,300, it came down to 23,300. And then from there, it shot up to 24,800. So there was about 1,500 point relief rally. So what happened after that? The market fell and broke the 23,300. So anyway, since the markets have moved significantly higher than 22,000, so for the time being, so we can assume that 22,000 is the support, 22,500 is the first resistance, 22,800 is the second resistance. So maybe markets, are likely to consolidate in a range of 500 to 800 points for next few trading sessions. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.